I've always maintained that a just, democratic, secular nation is not only created by leaders, it is created by people, citizens, and society at large. Now, in this era of onslaught, of hate, violence, every citizen has a right and a duty to rise against it, and it's only then the democracy of the country can be saved. It's not very large rallies. They are important, but it's not only large rallies which create a democratic nation. That is exactly what I'm saying. And I'm extremely happy that the young ones, those who are doing something else in their life and are busy, have found and taken out time and are disturbed by what is happening in the country. The hate campaign today is supported by the state, by the government. And therefore, they're shifting from one issue to another issue which will create, which can create, and which has been creating hate in the society. Earlier it was surgical strike, then it was Kashmir, then it became love jihad, then it became burqa, then it became teen talaq, and from one issue to another issue, they're jumping. It's almost like they have the buttons, they press the buttons, there is violence in the society. The organized Gunda elements who have been created in the cauldron of RSS Shakhas, they come out, they start attacking, and then they go back. It's very obvious that wherever BJP government is operating, wherever they are becoming stronger, even in Bengal, there is violence. This violence creates vote bank for them, and vote bank is used to create more violence. So I think every citizen has to rise up, and I'm very happy to be part of this program because this is the younger generation which has the responsibility to save the country.